Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Gold prices climbed for a third consecutive session to mark a one-week high, as investors sought refuge in the safe haven metal amid mounting geopolitical unease fueled by escalating Russia-Ukraine tensions. Global shares edged lower as markets weighed geopolitical tensions between Russia and the West, and as investors eyed upcoming earnings from artificial intelligence powerhouse Nvidia, while Bitcoin hit a new record high and the dollar rose. Bitcoin rose to a fresh record high just shy of $95,000 after a report that Donald Trump's social media company was in talks to buy crypto trading firm Bakkt boosted expectations of a crypto-friendly regime under his incoming administration. The last session saw the euro fall 0.7% against the dollar. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 1.2% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the pound drop 0.3% against the dollar. According to the stochastic indicator, we are in an oversold market. The Aussie fell 0.7% against the dollar in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. With pivotal data releases scheduled in the coming days, the economic calendar provides insight into which financial reports and economic updates are most likely to steer market activity. Traders should prepare for possible volatility. These economic indicators are set to guide market sentiment. Keeping a close watch and adjusting positions as necessary can help mitigate risks and capture opportunities.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.